Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss those like who are our family and friends, those who are really suffering uh, with this COVID-19 situation, like who are suffering financially loss, like job loss or income loss due to this COVID-19. Like we all know that how COVID-19 is going all around the world, and because of that, a lot of people have already lost their job, and a lot of people are struggling to meet their daily basis income sources and all those things. And this is really like this is not good. But guys, as we all know that we all are human beings, like fighters. Like we never give up. There are so many situations comes and goes, but we as a human being always stood there and always face all the challenges in our life, and we all miss, like we almost overcome with all the situations. So again, this is the situation where we have to stand strong, and we have to overcome this situation, and we have to make alternative ways for our own progress. So we cannot just let COVID-19 uh, give us so much pain. So we have to fight back, and we have to overcome with this situation. So guys, today I have came up like a lot of people might know about this website, but still those who don't know, so I wanted to share this knowledge with them so they can also use this website and able they can earn money using this website. So this website is a Fiverr, okay, fiverr.com. I will share the link description where you can just click on that and get registered on this website. It will be my reference link, which I'm going to put in the description, and you can use that URL for registration process. So guys, what is Fiverr is all about? Okay, so in Fiverr you can see my screen, like it's already open, like fiverr.com, where there are a lot of opportunities. For example, if you guys have some skills, like any skills, like if you have drawing skills, if you are a poet, write a poem, or if you write articles for anyone, or if you have a good voice and you can make voiceovers or anything, like if you're an artist and you love music and you can play like guitars and anything, any music and stuff, or you guys are programmer or animator or designer, or you have any business that or if you don't know anything, you just know how to make data entry, your typing speed is good. So it has a lot of opportunities where we can, it's just that you share your skill here, and people will find you and they will hire you and they will get paid you for your whatever the job you do. Okay, so how whole this process works? Okay, first of all, let's see how many opportunities are there, how many kind of opportunity that people are already explore, like already they put the skill into it, and they are getting really paid good, like they are really paid, getting paid good by using this website. Okay, so I will take you step by step. So first of all, if you go to the fiverr.com, so here you will see there are a lot of categories. The major categories are like graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music, programming, business, lifestyle, industries. Okay, now in these many categories there are so many subcategories as well. We will take step by step so you guys can understand how many opportunities are there in this website, where you can just explore your skill and you can start earning. Okay, so first of all, like graphics and design, so I will just give you a brief idea that any person who have any idea, like any skill, so they can just put the skill on their website and you are good to move ahead. Okay, so let's see. So graphics and design, so in graphics and design, if you see logo and brand identity, so if you can design the logo, that's a good. If you can brand any style guides, business cards, you can make. Okay, so if you are good in gaming, and you can do the gamings and like gaming design, graphic design. So this is all about designs, visual designs. Like if you have any idea of Photoshop is really easy tool to learn. It's a just more advanced version of a basic paint. Okay, a lot of people use paint. They have a lot of everyone knows a lot of tools about editing and all those things. So if you guys have any Photoshop knowledge at that particular time, also you can come to this website and start earning. Okay, presentation design, infographic design, there are a lot of things are here. Okay, web mobile design, architect. So if you guys are architect and you design a very good house architect, so those people can also come here and explore, like they can share their skills with people. Okay, then digital marketing. So digital marketing is also a very big stream. A lot of people are there in digital marketing, but I know that people scared to go out and meet with people due to this COVID. So this is a very nice platform. You don't have to go outside or anywhere. You just have to sit where you are. You just need laptop and internet and explore your skill, and you can get earned, and you can get paid, and you can get a lot of opportunities from these things. Okay, so digital marketing. So in digital marketing, social media marketing, you can do social media marketing by Facebook and all those things. So there are a lot of opportunities, like how to use Facebook. I am going to create another video for you guys, like how to do marketing on Facebook, what are the basic steps that need require for Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Google AdWords marketing. There are so many marketing tools, platforms are available. So I will teach you that as well in others videos. Okay, so like SEO, marketing strategies. So these many are digital marketings, like surveys and all those things. So writing and translation, as I mentioned, that if you're a good writer, you can write a content for website, you can write a content for any like let's say business proposals, or if you are a like lawyers or something like that, and if you need a legal writing, that also you can do. Okay, you can resume writings, cover letters, LinkedIn profile. So there are a lot of things that you can do as a writer. Okay, so then video animation, if you guys have learn any kind of animations, and if you're not getting any kind of opportunity anywhere in the market, so this is a good place where you can just explore your skill and do it. Same goes with music and videos. Okay, if you are good in music, if you have good in singing and all those things, that at that particular time also you can use this website. Programming and technology. So I know that not everyone is like a programmer, so very less people are programmers, so they might not get more details into these things. But yeah, means those who are programmer, like I know that IT sectors has also hit due to this COVID. So a lot of programmers who are there in the market who are not having job for now because of these situations, so they can also work as a freelancer. They can also explore the skill and get job done for the peoples and get paid. Okay, so business. So in business, like we can do online, like data entry. As I told you, data entry is the most easiest thing. Like if you guys have laptop and all those things, so you can get the data entry opportunity as well. Okay, so and lifestyle, like if you guys know how about the fashion, like how to, like nail art is a fashion, how to make makeup. So basic things, like cooking lessons, like if you guys know how to cook, and you can simply create a video and you can share that. Or you can, if anyone is looking for a good video, cooking video, they will hire you to create a video for them. You can do that as well. So like if you are like health and nutrition fitness, you can give the suggestions and all those things. If you're astrologer, that also help you. Like you can see there are so many opportunities for every department, every kind of job person. All the opportunities are there. Okay, so industries. So now like so guys, in this video, my motive is to let everyone know how many opportunities are there in the market, and how they can really get into internet market, and they can earn money, serious money with these things. Okay, and all we need is like internet and laptop, where and your skill is the most important thing. If you think you have any kind of skill, just come on this website with the link I am sending in the description, putting in the description. Just click on that link, come to this website, see what can you do. There are so many opportunities, so many categories. And before doing that, first explore what people are sharing. Let's, for example, let's say very basic things, which is data entry. Data entry can be done anyone, can be done by anyone. So if I click on just data entry stuff, so see, there are lot of people, like I will find business email on LinkedIn and data entry. So yeah, you can do internet research and all those things. So this guy already got 233 orders. Okay, and the basic price you can set $5, $10, $20. It's up to you. Whatever the basic price you need to set for your skill set, and if the people like this, they will hire you, and you can get paid. So if you want, if you really like this video, guys, and if you want more information about this fire, like how to come into this, how to create the gigs, like it is called gig. One particular this like if this person is saying that I will find business email from LinkedIn data entry, so this is a gig. It called gig in Fire. So how to create that gig, I will teach you everything in details in my next video. So guys, if you really like this video and you want to learn more about this Fire, how it works, how you can get enrolled into it, and how you can get work from it, and how you can get paid, what are the paid like how, and what are the different platform, like what are the methods that you can get paid from this website, everything in details I will teach you in like I will create a couple of more videos step by step, so you guys can have detailed knowledge about everything regarding the fire. So guys, if you like this video and if you wanted to like learn further with the fire, so I request you to kindly subscribe and kindly put your comments under this video, so that I can have a fair enough idea like what are the next step I have to continue with. So guys, I hope you like this video and it really help you out to start earning money in this pandemic time. And thank you so much guys for all your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.